Imagine staring at 17 different EHR systems while your hospital's sepsis rates climb because your tools can't connect the dots. Fragmented data, manual SQL queries eating days, and regulatory deadlines looming. Sound familiar? The Healthcare Analytics Pack changes the game. We're talking Fire standard clinical data integration, XGBoost powered predictive modeling for readmission risks, D3.js customizable dashboards with real-time HL7 feed parsing, and HIPAA-compliant NLP templates that auto-generate audit-ready reports. This isn't just for health data analysts. Clinical informaticists, population health managers, and healthcare IT directors are already using it to slash analysis time by 60%. Turns out predicting patient flows is easier than explaining why your Excel macros crashed. Again. Here's what's inside the Healthcare Analytics Pack. Data preparation with smart chunking strategies for multi-terabyte EHR dumps. Predictive modeling phase using PyTorch Tabular to forecast ED overcrowding. Dashboard assembly with React Viz components pre-wired to your SQL warehouse. Automated reporting modules that embed SHAP values for model explainability. Compliance guardrails with built-in HIPAA audit trail generators. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your AI assistant doesn't just write queries, it becomes a board-certified analyst. Installing the Healthcare Analytics Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add healthcare-analytics-pack. That's it. You'll download the entire workflow, 12 pre-built modules, from raw data ingestion to final PDF reporting. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. No config files needed. Suddenly, your AI assistant knows how to handle LOINC codes, optimize Spark clusters for claims data, and generate Tableau-ready extracts. It's like giving your workflow a PhD in healthcare informatics, minus the student debt. Ready to stop wrestling with data and start saving lives?